The year is 2000, Y2K fears were fading, but BMW, they dropped a beast. Meet the E39 M5, a true sleeper with a business suit and the heart of a monster. Under the hood, 4.9-litre naturally aspirated V8, the S62 engine, hand-built, high-revving, legendary. 400 horsepower, 500 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in just 4.8 seconds. Top speed electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour, but with the limiter off. 6-speed manual only, rear-wheel drive, no launch control, no nanny tech, just skill. It looked clean, subtle, a family sedan with the death wish. And that V8 soundtrack, deep, raw, mechanical, it didn't scream, it roared. So it had no flashy screens, no turbo boost, just a perfect balance of power, handling and soul. The E39 M5 wasn't just the fastest BMW of 2000, it was a turning point, the last of the pure analog M5s. No mods, no nonsense, just empowered at its finest. Love machines like this? Follow AMR Motors for more legends on wheels.